Before updating, ensure the eBoost battery is on, stable, not charging or discharging, and you are nearby for a strong Bluetooth connection. Do not power off the battery or close the app during the update. Get started by opening the Fortress Power Installer app on your mobile device. Confirm that Bluetooth is enabled and you are logged in using installer credentials. From the device list, locate the correct eBoost battery. Tap the device to connect via Bluetooth and wait for the connection to be confirmed. Once connected, navigate to the Settings or Device Information menu. Select Firmware Update to begin the over-the-air update process. Tap the device to connect via Bluetooth and wait for the connection to be confirmed. Once connected, navigate to the Settings or Device Information menu. Select Firmware Update to begin the over-the-air update process. Review the currently installed firmware. If a newer version is available, it'll be displayed on the screen. Tap Start Update and confirm when prompted. The firmware will now begin transferring to the battery via Bluetooth. A progress bar will show update status. The update may take several minutes. Do not power off the battery, close the app, disable Bluetooth, or move away during the update. When the update reaches 100%, the app will confirm completion and the battery may automatically restart. Reconnect to the battery if prompted. Verify the new firmware version is displayed, and confirm no fault codes are present. Once verified, return the system to normal operation and your firmware update is complete.